Want to share your Android screen to your PC without installing any app on your phone? Let me show you the easiest and cleanest way to do it for free using a tool called scrcpy. Let's go step by step. First, we'll start with the wired method. Then I'll show you how to do it wirelessly. Open your web browser. Search for scrcpy GitHub. Click on the first link. It should be from Jenny Mobile. Scroll down to the Releases section. Click on 45 Releases, or whichever version is latest. Scroll to Assets and download the zip file for your PC. I have a 64-bit Windows system, so I'll download that one. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder. Right-click inside the folder and select Open in Terminal. Now, go to your phone and open Settings. Scroll down and tap About Device. Then tap on Version. Tap Build Number 7 to 8 times until it says Developer Mode enabled. Go back to Settings. Tap Additional Settings. Open Developer Options. Scroll down and enable USB debugging. Tap Allow if a prompt appears. Connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Select File Transfer Mode on your phone. Now, back on your PC, in the terminal, type scrcpy, then press Enter. And boom! Your Android screen will now appear on your PC. You can control it using your mouse and keyboard. Let's now move on to the wireless method. Before starting, make sure your phone and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network, or your PC is connected to your phone's hotspot. Go back to your phone's developer options. Scroll down and enable wireless debugging. Tap on it. Note the IP address shown, but ignore the port number. For example, if it says 192.168.0.198.40087, just note 192.168.0.198. Now, on your PC, in the terminal, type ADB TCP/IP 5555 and press Enter. Then type ADB Connect followed by the IP address you noted. For example, ADB Connect 192.168.0.198. Press Enter. Now type scrcpy and hit Enter again. If you see an error that says multiple devices found, don't worry. It just means your phone is still connected by USB. To fix this, simply unplug the USB cable or specify the wireless device manually. Type scrcpy-s 192.168.0.198 5555. Press Enter. And boom! Now your Android screen is wirelessly connected to your PC. If this video helped, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more.